Great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. And this gentleman, Arnav Goswami, was trying to create or was trying to bring a difference for the democracy, a difference for absolute justice in a country. But what has happened? What has happened to his life? What has happened to himself? A very demanding and tough question that we, the citizen of India, must ask each other. We talk about democracy, we talk about equality, we talk about freedom, we talk about independence. But deep in the mind, we all know how much independent we are. A political party is doing anything, in number of weird and absurd thing, and there is no one who can stop that particular party. I was reading all the articles that are published over the internet, newspaper, and whatever media you talk about. That India stands with Arnav Goswami. Tough questions on illegal arrest from all the corners. And Arnav Goswami was shifted to Taloja jail for using mobile phone in custody at COVID quarantine center. Is this the issue that a gentleman, a press reporter, or a chief editor in chief must be transferred to a jail where criminals are being possessed? We all know that the absolute answer is no. We all talk about democracy, isn't it? But see the condition that happens to a people who stands with this particular truth, who stands with justice. Today, seeing the pity condition of Arnav Goswami, we are really very sad to say that no one, not a single percent of population of this particular country, India, will be ever speaking any truth. Because for every person, for every citizen, his or her safety is more important, isn't it? At this point of time, I just want to ask one thing, that in this billion population country where we have millions of people, very few percent of population are with the justice, are with the truth. They advocate the truth. But if this is the condition that people will face, I'm really very sorry to say that 0% of people will be with the truth in the coming future. I don't want to name any party, I don't want to name anyone, I don't want to name any person, party, or anything. But my only request is justice should be served. Maharashtra government is not bigger than the country's government. The central government may intervene, or should intervene, or must intervene. It is an obligation of the central government to intervene in this matter and serve justice to this pretty good man. Otherwise, the doomsday is not so far. The doomsday is really not so far. I, being a very normal citizen of this country, cannot resist than speaking this. Although I don't speak on this topic, but this is something that said from the inner voice that I should speak, and therefore I am. So I request whoever watches this video to please share this as far as possible so that it could reach to the officials that this is not a good thing, whatever is happening. Justice should be served. Share this as far as possible so that even a one person could be motivated and something good can be happen. Stay safe. Jai Hind. Take care.